Hello class, today is Wednesday, April 26th, 2020, and today we're going to continue talking about informational text during our reading session. Let's go ahead and read our job. I will organize information about a season so I can tell facts that describe my topic. So let's talk about what informational text is, just a quick review. Remember, we said that an informational text tells facts about real people, places, or things. Informational text describes a topic. We talked about how a topic is what the text is mostly about. And then along with the topic, we have details that share and tell us more about the topic. It's important to understand that informational text is not an opinion. So we're not saying what we think or how we feel. We're more giving facts, things that are true. And an informational text is teaching someone else about something. So now that we've kind of reviewed that, on Monday, you were working on completing your page here over the book Every Season that we read together. And you were to identify the topic, and we identified seasons because that's what the text was mostly about. And then you were giving me 3 details that you found in the book Every Season. Well, today, you are going to pick a season to tell facts about. You can use the book to get information from, but we're not talking about the book here. What you're going to do is you're going to pick a season that you want to write about. You're going to create your own informational text. You're going to create a text just like the Every Season book. You're going to create your own informational text to teach someone about a season. So the first thing you need to do is you need to think about, what season do I want to tell facts about? Once you decide that, then you go ahead and open up a new page. You write topic. Then you'll just go ahead next to topic. You'll type in the season that you're going to tell facts about. I'm going to choose summer. Okay? Don't forget to put your date up here, guys. So now I need to give 3 details. They describe the topic, and my topic is summer. Remember, this is information. These are facts that you're sharing. This is not an opinion like summer is my favorite season. I love summer, not that type of thing. This is an informational text that's going to teach someone about the season. Now, you might already know 3 details that you want to share about the summer. Now, would you say that if I said I like to go swimming in the summer, is that a detail? Is that a fact? No, because you're telling me what you like to do. And that's great, but that's not what we're working on with this particular assignment. You want to give me facts. You can definitely go over to Epic, and you can search for books on seasons. We've actually already read some of these. And you can pull up a book, and you can read through it. Once you've decided what season you want to that you're going to talk about, you just can go through the book and you can see if you can find information. I'm looking for information about summer. So this is talking about winter. This is spring. Spring. Oh, summer is hot. What else? I swim in the summer. You could say you can go swimming in the summer. Then it talks about fall. There wasn't a lot in here about summer. So you could always click back out of here and you could go to another book. You could see if maybe you could find a book that just talks about summer. Here's one here. Here's another book here about seasons. I can look here and let me go back over to, okay, let's see. This talks about summer, the seasons. This is talking about the seasons, warm seasons, winter, spring. Summer is the hottest season. Every summer the sun shines strongly. So maybe that's a fact that I want to share in my text. So I would go back here and I could say, right here, remember to use complete sentences. Start with a capital letter. The sun shines strongly during the summer. Okay, that's detail number 1. Now I need to look for 2 more details, or you may already have 2 details that you want to share. I remember from reading one of the books about the trees in the summer that the leaves on a tree are full and green. And then I want to share one more fact. So that is what you will be working on with this particular lesson here. And again, remember, you are organizing your information about just one season so that you can tell facts to describe your topic. So, my topic here, summer. My detail here, the sun shines strongly during the summer. The leaves on a tree are full and green. And then I would want to pick one more topic here. So what I would like for you to do is once you pick your season, you might want to, before you get started on this, go over here to your Epic. Check your mailbox because I may still have some season books assigned to you here. And just check here. Whatever books you find on the seasons, you can click them open and read all about those. I see a book here about summer. I see a book here about spring. I could click on any of these, depending on which one I decide to write about. And you have all kinds of facts here, guys. So what you're doing is you're actually researching your season, reading about it, thinking about what 3 facts do you want to share. So you'll come back over to your journal page, and you can have that out in front of you and write 3 details about the season that you choose. So remember, before you start writing, I would like for you to go over to Epic, check your mailbox for any season books, read about the season that you're choosing, and decide what 3 details you want to write. Remember, give me complete sentences, your best handwriting. If you have any questions on this assignment, you can reach out to me and I will help you in any way that I can. Thank you.